doing? I am Barbara with the Tupperware Rock On organization, and I want to tell all the moms out there, and dads too, of course, how to make really quick and easy, inexpensive hand sanitizer so that you and your family are safe and you're not going to and from the stores right now because we're trying to stay away, do a little social distancing, and not go to the stores as much. So I've been using this little recipe here for a while, and I got it off Pinterest a long time ago. Pinterest is some pretty cool stuff. So, but I'm a Tupperware lady, so I do all my stuff in Tupperware. My favorite to put my sanitizers in is our Smidget. And if you've ever seen one of these, I mean, they're adorable. These are like the little baby Smidget containers. Anyway, you can get one of these when you have a party. So inside here, this little towelette I've had for 3.5 weeks now. It is still completely wet and sanitized. So there's that. The recipe is going to include, you can use a small cloth, a washcloth, some cut up t-shirts. If you're a mama and you have or had some receiving blankets, those little thin burpee blankets, those work really good too. Just cut those up. And then you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons of hot water, 1 tablespoon of either aloe or baby oil. Yeah, baby oil. So aloe or baby oil, and that's what keeps it so soft and smooth and keeps your hands fresh too. 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 99% rubbing alcohol. That's what kills the germs. So you can do this in any size batch that you want to do. Just make sure that 60% of your batch is the 99% rubbing alcohol. And and a liquid tight, airtight container, obviously, to keep your stuff from drying out. A couple of my favorites is the Smidget that I was telling you about. We have the TupperMini. Now the TupperMini actually has little measuring things on it, and this is 2 ounces. Perfect to go on the airplane with. Nothing will leak, spill, or anything with this baby. That's the TupperMini. Can you see it? It's also good for a shot of whiskey. And you can bring it to the pool. And here's our snack cups. And they're perfect. So this will fit a perfectly good size washcloth as well. So if you're a mom of many, throw this in your diaper bag. Excuse me. Wipe everybody's hands at the end of the day, or, you know, there you go. That's perfect. These are another good one. These are 1 cup each, I believe. But you can get a set of these, 2 of these for free if you host a party. Just wanted to throw those out there for you. So those are my favorite. This is the Square Modular Mate. If you've been following your consultant, you know what modular mates are because they are pretty much our favorite thing in life. Most of the time it's used for dry foods. You can organize toys with it. But right now we're focusing on food and keeping things lasting for a really long time. So we're not going to the store as much, right? But what I do for my daughter's class, she's a 5th grade school teacher, what I do is I roll the paper towels in half, and I put them in the square. This is a 3. So the height on this is a 3, and it's a square. And the reason I use the square is because I also buy the flip top lid for it. So, and then you put it in here. Obviously, I didn't cut my paper towels, but you'll have your paper towel roll in there. Take the cardboard out, and then you, mom, teachers, nurse stations, whomever, you just go in here, get yourself a wipe behind yourself, and you're good to go. So, that's my tip for today. Save some money, save some time going to the stores, and make your own hand sanitizer. If you have any questions, comment below.